Hi, in this video I will be showing you how you can format your text inside WhatsApp. So you can do like bold, italic, strike through, and also in monospace. And I'm going to show you how you can do it easily with WhatsApp. So stay tuned. Hi, my name is Ken and I help businesses to grow using digital marketing. If you are new to this channel talks a lot about digital marketing, social media and entrepreneurship. So if you are interested in these kind of topics, do consider subscribing to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And with that, I'm going to go to my computer and I'm going to show you how you can easily put all those formatting inside your WhatsApp messages. Like I mentioned, there's 4 ways. There's bold, italic, strike through, and monospace. So there'll be these 4 methods. And then I'm going to show you how you can do it with your phone as well, because doing it with phone is quite simple as well. Yeah, and then we're going to test using Postcron, which is also one of the software that I was using in one of my previous WhatsApp video, which you can have a look somewhere on top, right, or in the description box below. With that, then you can easily see how you can use it in terms of like sending in, put in as a link or button. Then when people click on it, then they have all this formatted message there. So it could be quite useful for you as well. You know, just to spice things up with your messages, right? And yeah, without further ado, let me just go to my computer and I show you how you can do it. Alright, let's have a look at the WhatsApp FAQ itself, how to format the messages. So as mentioned above, there's italic, there's bold to bold a message, strike through, which is to strike through a message, just to have both, yeah, just to cut through things, or monospace. So monospace is just something like separate kind of, how to say, it looks a bit different, the font is a bit different, but other than that, I don't think, I seldom use this. I use bold and italic more often, so it depends on your use case. You know, if you want to be creative, it's all up to you, right? Let me show you in WhatsApp how it looks like, right? For example, if you want to go bold, let's go italic first, right? Alright, now let's go to my WhatsApp and I'm going to show you how this is WhatsApp computer. So first I'm going to try bold. I think they say italic first. Okay, let's say italic. So basically, as mentioned here, all you have to do is just put something at here, the underscore at front and at the back, then you can get italic already, right? You see, it's italic. If it's bold, you just have to put star, bold, right? Strike through, very simple. And if you want to put monospace, it's just these 3 things. 1, 2, 3. So I think, what is this called? This is what they call as the 3 backticks. If it's in your keyboard, it's actually all the way at the top left, right? So just click on it and see it's monospace. The thing is about this, you might see just only one, right? But you can actually bold a few sentences together. For example, this is a bolded sentence, right? And then just click enter. You can see they bold the whole thing. You can even combine bold and italic. So I'm going to show you how. So you can see now it became bold and italic. So you just play around with this, and it's as simple as this. I'm going to put this inside the description box below so you can easily have a look as well. Alright, and if you were wondering whether, if for example in previous video I used Postcron, right? Let me show you how you can do it. You can even do it in your messages. So remember to put your country code and your phone number. So for example, the messages, I want special formatting. Hi. Okay, so you notice like, oh my god, this looks very weird, right? I just show you the link, then you can have a look, and then you understand what does it mean, right? So just get a link, copy the link. So this one, I think it's a simplified version, right? Go to your WhatsApp, paste it, and then you say this one, right? Can want special formatting, right? Then just continue to chat. So you want to see how this can be done, you can look in my previous video. I put in the link on the description on how to generate links in WhatsApp. You see it automatically appear here, right? Even though no matter what you type here, it will appear here. Then the moment you press enter, then you see everything is all formatted. So it is still possible for you to put all these things inside your Postcron or any of your WhatsApp link generator. It is possible, and it's still able to use it. You see, it's able to come out as seamless as it is. So yeah, so that's how you can use formatting. But now let me go to a phone, because phone is a little bit easier. I'm gonna show you how in the phone. Now let's go to the phone. Alright, now let's look at the phone itself. It's actually the same way. Basically, you just have to type the same thing. For example, you want bold, right? So basically it's still the same thing, but bold, if your phone it immediately show, the computer it doesn't show, right? Now the thing that makes it easier using phone, which is one of the reasons why I want to show you, is that when you type something, okay, for example like this, right? So for example, you click on the word for very long, right? There is this, you come out, select all, cut, copy, paste. You just have to click on the three dots and you can see it's all here. Right, there's translator, search, share, monospace, drag through. So you can easily just click on bold and be bold. You click on this, select this one, italic. This one, search, drag through. Search, monospace. Like that. It's so easy, right? So you can see with phone it is much easier to do it. But just in case, like for example, you want to use like a different message formatter to send things, right? Or link to send things, right? This can be used as what I showed in the Cat1 special formatting example just now. And yeah, this is how easily you can just format the WhatsApp messages through your computer or through your phone, right? Thank you. Yep, so that is how you can format your WhatsApp message, whether by bold, italic, strike through, or monospace. Now, if you like what I shared, feel free to like this video, comment in the comment section below if you have any comments. I appreciate it and I reply to most of them. You can share this to someone else if you have not subscribed to my channel. Again, this channel talks about digital marketing, social media, entrepreneurship. And if you're interested in these kind of topics, do consider subscribing to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future video. And with that, thank you very much for watching and I see you in my next video. Goodbye.